Now, when it comes to using and utilizing our Microsoft 365 program, Microsoft actually gives us an opportunity to download the Microsoft desktop apps on up to 5 different devices that we might use. Here on our Microsoft 365 home screen, we can come over and click Install and More. When we click this, I can come over to Install Microsoft 365 Apps. This opens up My Account browser tab, and then you'll notice over here in the navigation pane we have some options. But over here, if I click on View Apps and Devices, it's going to be the same thing as clicking Apps and Devices here. When I click this, it shows me where Brandon has installed the Office applications, listing the devices right down in here. There's nothing right now. And separately, we can download the Skype for Business. Now, if I want to get back to the account, I'm going to click on My Account here, and it takes me right to this. From here, I can click on Install Office. You'll notice it's downloading the file here, and when I'm ready to install the desktop apps, I would click right here on the name. When I click on this, it's going to start the installation process. I have it installed on this device already, so I'm going to not do that. Folks, that's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me. I hope this was helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next exercise.